Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring precisely. 18 to 20 g of coffee gives balance. Grind to a medium-fine texture so extraction is even. Once done, heat 180 to 200 ml water to 92-96 degrees C and preheat your brewer and cup. This preserves temperature. Make sure your scale reads 0 under the brewer and position a timer where you can see it. Work with confidence. The first minute set extraction, so move deliberately and avoid rushing the grind or water heating. You begin by initiating a 30 to 45 second bloom with 30 to 40 ml of water to release CO2 and ensure uniform extraction. Once the bloom subsides, pour slowly in concentric circles, adding water to reach 180 to 200 ml total. This controls flow rate and contact time. Make sure to keep the water level steady without dry spots, and watch your timer so total brew time stays between 2.5 and 3.5 minutes. Adjust grind if flow is too fast or slow. You let the final drawdown complete without forcing it. The slurry should finish between 2.5 and 3.5 minutes for balanced flavor. Once done, give the brew a quick swirl or gentle stir to homogenize the cup, then decant into your preheated mug to preserve aroma. If the coffee tastes bitter, make the next grind slightly coarser or shorten brew time. If it tastes sour, try a finer grind or raise water temperature a few degrees. Taste, then adjust confidently for next brew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.